Hello! Today we'll be talking about Mars. Mars is a planet of strength, willpower, and desire. For those who have more of a creative intelligence, just imagine that Mars is condensed young male energy. Now, just imagine that manifested in many different ways. There's both positive and negative ways of Mars, and that will show a world of difference. Let's start with the positive aspects of Mars. When Mars is positively influencing someone's chart, you see that the person is brave, fearless, they have strong desires, and they're quite passionate people. Passionate in a good way. Since Mars is a planet of manifestation and action, it will bring them ability to manifest things. In other words, artists, designers, as well as people who are really good in sports and even literally construction, like engineers and architects. Now, when Mars is in a negative aspect of the chart or negatively influencing the chart, then the person might suffer from irritation, irritability, and they will be quick to anger and not very good at dealing with obstacles or challenges, whereas a healthy Mars will like challenges, will definitely be like an impetus for them to grow. You see, Mars is also a soldier, a warrior, a noble one. So their good Mars makes someone ready to carry out tasks, and actually they will like to follow rules and do the right thing. You see people with exalted Mars in Capricorn, they really are keen of following the rules and being the good person. Actually, exalted Mars is so good that nowadays it's not even that easy to find the growth. For example, in business, it would be very hard for someone with an exalted Mars to be good in business because they're always trying to do the exact good thing, and that's not always the best way to get around. So what appears to be negative, for example, a debilitated Mars, will actually prove that this person will succeed because they will know the nook and corners of everything, and they will know how to get the best result in any situation. However, negative Mars can have detrimental effects on the personality trait that can bring someone to be violent, aggressive, abusive, and the person might, if it's not attacking their personality, it might be things that happen to them, like accidents, cuts, burns, since Mars represents fire as well as weapons. In the universe, in terms of what happens in the world, Mars influences such things as divorce, separations, and even wars. Thus, you should be attentive to the transits and positioning of Mars to understand both good and bad effects. When Mars is positive, for example, in someone's 10th house, that means the person can actually make a career out of their passion and their hobby. Because the 10th house is the house of career, and Mars is where their passion is. That means they're very passionate about what they do, and they can only do what they're passionate about, which means that they'll be frustrated if they have to work with something that they don't really like. So it's good to understand our people and ourselves in this way. So I hope you like this video and you can continue learning about astrology. Next, we will be talking about Mercury.